Hello friends, welcome to our tutorial on preventive plant maintenance or air handling units. This video will cover the essential steps to ensure your AHUs run smoothly and efficiently, from filters to manometers, from guide vane actuators to motorized dampers. We will dive into the smallest details to help you become a master of AHU maintenance. So let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have the necessary permit from the client. Review the procedures and guidelines for the maintenance task to ensure you are following the correct protocol. The first step is to check the filter. Inspect and check manometer readings to determine if filter media needs to be renewed. Verify the correct operation and setting of the manometer and top up fluid as required. Next, check the guide vane actuators. Ensure they are functioning correctly and adjust as needed to maintain optimal airflow and pressure. Also, check the modulating dampers for proper operation and adjust as needed to maintain optimal airflow and pressure. Don't forget to check the condensate drain for any sign of carryover or blockages. Also, verify that safety guards are secure and functional to prevent accidents. Now, let's move on to the general inspections. Ensure all brackets, supports, mountings and fixing are secure and free from undue noise, vibration or overheating. Check for water or air leaks and report any issues accordingly. Inspect all manually operated valves for proper function and adjust or repack valve glands as needed. Clean and lubricate valve stems to prevent corrosion and ensure smooth operation. Check the motorized dampers for proper operation and adjust as needed. Ensure fans are clean and operate in a safe condition. Verify fan rotation and clean impellers to prevent erosion. Check special sensors such as those for smoke and gas detection and maintain them according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Verify correct location and installation of pneumatic pipework and check for any extraneous influences. That's it, folks. With these comprehensive steps, you will be well on your way to becoming an AHU maintenance expert. Remember to always follow the manufacturer's guidelines and take the necessary safety precautions. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.